great with a pair of scissors. You pinch and rub to get it where you want. And it falls off on you. You can rub it and inch it down. We're going to keep going, rubbing. Get this smoothed out. See some of the detail showing on that heel. Use our fondant smoother to flatten it out a little bit. Okay, we can play with this all day, or we can get it in our cake. This part's going to disappear on top of the cake, and then we're going to pipe around it. Get rid of some of these seams. There's a boot. Okay, we're going to stick a dowel rod in, and I've cut a dowel preset, guesstimating the measurement of how tall the cake was going to be. And there's a hole already in here that's been pushed in. I used my dedicated pencil sharpener for it to get a sharp point. Okay, pull it back out. A little bit of one on that end. We're all set. Okay, now, because this is going to go into there, take you to a next step of food safety where we're going to dunk this in some wax. Let me grab the wax. It's on the stove melting. And I took a soup can. This is paraffin wax. It's been on the stove with a little bit of water underneath just to get it to melt. I'm going to dunk it in here, roll it around, let it drip. And it'll cool, it'll seal this dowel rod, and it'll become even more food safe. While it's cold or warm, shove it in here. There you go. Okay, if you want, you can dunk it one more time. And you can really start seeing that it's coated it. We'll let that cool. In a moment we'll get prepared and we'll stick our shoes and our boots into the cake. Okay, we're going to paint our belt buckle really quick. So I dunked this in lemon yellow airbrush color, and I'm going to dry brush the yellow onto the fondant so it doesn't soak it down. So I rubbed it off on the paper towel to take away a lot of the moisture so that the color is not really over wetting the buckle. There we go. Give him a yellow buckle. Okay, when you rinse this yellow out, then I want to dry brush some of the black on the bricks. Black food coloring. Going to take a lot of moisture away. The black is going to overpower whatever yellow is left in the brush. Okay, so we're going to dirty up our bricks a little bit. Because he's up on the roof. Add some dimension. Just here and there. Nothing spectacular. Ta-da!